Welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market resumed downtrend as trading activities closed on a negative note as NSE/ASI dipped by 0.75% to hold the positive posture as investors lost 113.7 billion naira. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at 5.99%. All-share index closed at 28,449.49 basis points with a market capitalization of 14.7 trillion naira in 4,367 deals. The market closed with 4 gainers to 34 losers. The top gainers for the equity were WAPIC, Portland, Paints and Products Nigeria, and USCN Property Development Company, while the top losers were ROYALEX, Namiot International Pharmaceutical, and Union Diagnostics and Clinical Services. United Bank for Africa, Zenith Bank and Guarantee Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and the most active to boost market turnover. For the NSE OTC markets updates, the NSI and market capitalization remain unchanged to close at 717.10 basis points and 526.76 billion naira respectively. The change in volume traded declined by 76.71 to close at 19,900, while the value traded also dipped to close at 2.59 million in 2 deals executed for the day. The FMBQ Group debt market size declined to close at 26.67 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate declined by 0.05% to close at 385 naira 60 kobo, while the I&EFX rate declined by 0.04% to open at 296 naira 24 kobo and close flat at 285 naira 75 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. In light of the protests on NSAS that has been hijacked now by hoodlums and of course the fallout of yesterday's open attack on unarmed youths by security forces, the Nigerian Stock Exchange has announced the postponement of following events. Ikeja Hotels PLC closing gong ceremony is now postponed, which was initially billed to hold yesterday. FinTech webinar has also been postponed, which was scheduled for today, Thursday, October 22nd, 2020. And also the Market Data Workshop for 2020, which is scheduled for Friday, 23rd, October 2020, has also been postponed. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.prochange.com to get more market updates, and do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on the screen. This is to all Nigerians to take caution and to be safe from Lagos and various parts of the country, as the protest, as we understand, has now been hijacked, and safety is very important wherever you are. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay safe.